Hello everyone, my name is Ankita Borade and I am Data Analytics Intern at StarTech Academy. In this video, I'll be explaining the task that I performed in Excel. The task was divided into two parts. In first part, I have worked with pivot tables, and in part second, I have created a financial dashboard for a company's profit and loss statement using charts option in Excel. To perform first task of Excel, I have used sales data that consists of number of columns like item identifier, item fat contain, which is a categorical variable which classifies the item in two types, low fat and regular, item type which describes the item, outlet identifier which consists name of the outlet, outlet establishment year, outlet location type, outlet type, which is again a categorical variable, and the last column is item outlet sales. Very first I have to create a pivot table that gives different types of outlet and their count. This table I have created used by selecting all the data and inserting pivot table from insert menu. I have selected outlet types column as to get the categories of the outlet, and to get the number of outlet of that respective category I have chosen outlet identifier column which will give us count. The second question was to draw a pivot table to get the total sales of different outlets. To draw this pivot table, I have used similar steps for creating pivot table. This time I have selected outlet identifier column as rows values and for getting sales sum I have selected item outlet sales column. In this way I have created this second pivot table. The, the third question is to draw a pivot table to find out total sales of different item types in different outlet types. For this table I have selected item type column for rows and rows values as we need to find their sales at different outlet. Now for the column purpose I have selected outlet identifier column and value will be the sum of the particular item sales at respective outlet. So I have selected the item outlet sales for values. Fourth question was regarding applying filter and finding out low fat product. For this I have added filters, and in that I have added the column item fat contain so that we can apply filter to our third pivot table only. Using this we can apply filter to our tables. Fifth and the last task for the part 1 was adding slicers for item fat and item type in the last pivot table. So for that I have inserted slicer from insert menu, and I have created these two slicers of different columns like item type and item fat. Here also we can use, and it works as kind of a filter for our pivot tables. For part second, I have created some charts using chart option in Excel. First chart I have created is a line graph which represents which represents the net profit and net profit margins of a company between the year 2015 to 2022. The second chart was a column chart which states the historical revenue of different years, And from this chart we can see the very lowest revenue was in 2016, where the very highest historical revenue was in 2021. It Due to the visualization or due to the charts, it becomes easy to evaluate our data. The third chart was a pie chart which I have created for expenses breakdown. Various expenses breakdown of a company regarding advertising, payroll, interest, and some other stuffs is been mentioned in the data, and this I have represented using a pie chart. The last chart created is a cluster column chart which represent two values, that is advertising and payroll. Here the target, we can see that the target is higher than YTD and similar for payroll also. In this way I have completed Excel problem statement and thus perform my Excel task. Thank you.